putting his feet up. Huh. Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And we've been looking at the 2007 ImagineFX magazines, and there's only one left now, which is issue number 25 for Christmas 2007. And I've got a feeling this one might actually be taking the honours of the best cover, but we'll have to wait and see. Little Felipe's with us. So let's get into this one. So these are the previous issues, and I'll put links and everything in the description for these. But this was the first one we looked at for January, which was issue number 13. And I feel like this year had a lot of really nice covers, especially that one, issue number 15. What I've liked about it is, even though, well, there's been lots of different types of, they've all mostly been females, but there's been loads of different styles of characters, and I just think it's been really cool. We even had a pin-up one, fairies, and the last one was this, what for me I'd like the best, that was the best cover for the story. But my favourite cover from the year has been this one, issue number 15. So is this one, issue number 25, going to come along and beat it right at the finish line? Oh my goodness, it is, isn't it? Oh, that's yeah. That one is so perfect, but this one, look at it, the colours, the animals, look at the way her hair is alive. Look at the way she's coming out of the water. The only one thing I would say is the expression on her face. The one thing this is missing for me is the emotion in her eyes. But I feel like this one is the more sort of complete cover, because I like the composition of it and everything. But this one's got so much emotion in it, I can't pick a winner on that. I might have to say both of them. No, I'm not allowed, I have to pick a winner. Oh no. Well, this is going to be one of those where 1 minute I might say that, and the next minute I might say that. But I'm still thinking this one. Even though this one's beautiful. Even the back cover is beautiful as well, look. What was the back cover on it? Yeah, this one. These are definitely the two best issues for covers. But let's get into it. I hope the inside is as beautiful as the front. It's that hair that I'm loving. The way it's wrapping around her. You're sort of like feeling as if she's just come out of the water, and she's actually come out of the water with all these birds or something. It's beautiful. And the DVD's in there as well. So little Felipe's letting us in. Oh, I really wanted to see the sketch of that one. Tag's incredibly beautiful and detailed work graces both shop bought and subscriber covers. So this artist, Yuehui Tang, they actually created both the front and the back cover. So that's the cover you get in the shop, and this is the subscriber cover. So that's what the cover looks like in the shop, with all the text on it. I'm so glad I got a subscriber issue of this one. It's absolutely beautiful. And here's Roblet. I think he's given up on doing his Photoshop. Because he used to put himself in different locations. Now he's gone to black and white. Oh, I like that as well, look. I want this character to be a supernatural warrior with madness in her eyes, yet sexy. They've definitely achieved that. She's got the sexy, but she's also crazy. Very much sort of similar lines to Harlequin for me. Harlequin's like got this psychoticness about her, but also a gentleness. I like that when you get sort of, I think they call it juxtaposition or something, like two different types of things that shouldn't be together. I love this one. What a shame that they've put that text there, because I wanted to see that shape. That's nice as well. Look, it's got little fangs. Oh, I like the pose on that one. I would have made her legs a bit longer though. Look at that thing there, look. That's creepy, that. That's cool. Yay! Oh, I like that one. I like the colours. FX Pose Online. Lose your chains. It's all about going freelance. From cornices to comics. Hey, I know, I've seen this one before. Yeah, she was in one of the earlier issues from this year. Image of the month, look. That's Johnny Duddler, isn't it? Johnny Duddle. That's beautiful, isn't it? Artists Q&A. A hag mixed with a crow or something. Digital matte painting. I think that's where you take photos and you sort of mix them together or something. Layer by layer. Interesting. Simon Wicker. Art class. The puppet. Like a little puppet. Yay! Justin Kaufman's sketchbook. Oh, these are cool. This is the sort of stuff I like. Like the craziness. Yeah. These to me are proper sketchbook sketches. Because you've got like the, you can almost like feel them trying to sort of find the lines sort of thing. Classic image. She's beautiful. Look at the fabric on that, look. Fabric folds on that. There's a little feather there, look, with blood on it. So she's just, there's been a murder. The Art of Greg Broadmore. Look at that, the violence. Monsters. Oh look, someone's chopped this one up. What have they done that for? I reckon what's happened here is that bloke was so vicious with his knife, he's actually sliced the paper. Oh no! They've sliced multiple pages. Is that King Kong? Oh cool, this will be the next one. So this is going to be this is going to be 2008. We've got like strange looking creatures here. Could it be magic now? Magic, is it all about magic? Hey, Kratos! That's cool. FX Pose, this is. Look, you've still got the slice there. someone's obviously, I reckon what's happened here is, someone was probably doing some artwork or something, and like they sliced something on top of it and didn't realise, and they've gone right through it. Easily done. Here's the workshops. Interesting shape. Yeah, I do like this one. Drawing on mythology. I like the way she's quite sort of manly and yet still feminine. Like muscular. That's very interesting. Because like, yeah, she's still she's muscular like a bloke, but yet sexy like a female. It's quite interesting, that is. Using reference. I do like that one. Becoming a film concept artist. I like the way they've put this together with the film reels. Concept to character. Yeah, look at him, look. It's quite funny. DVD still in here, look. I like that. I really like that. Yeah. I get the impression that she's gone to sleep and the demons have taken her out of her bed. Whilst her spirit body is out exploring, the demons are taking her body. Piggy, look. That's the bloke from Beyond Good and Evil, isn't it? The piggy from Beyond Good and Evil. Harry Potter. Oh, and the final image of the year is all about Melanie Dillon explains why the work of John Howell inspired her as a child. Oh, that's nice. Melanie Dillon talking about her hero. Look at that. What a beautiful issue to finish with. And that's it. That's for all of the 2007 ImagineFX magazines. So I really hope you enjoyed that. What I'll do next week is I'll just quickly go through all the issues and talk about my favourite covers and things and favourite articles. But I do hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.